everybody, this is Eric from NOC Ortho. We're at our Berlin clinic, as you can. Right across the clinic is a brand new Ford dealership. So yeah, coming from America, you probably won't feel like you're too far from home at any point, even though you're in Germany. Sitting area over here is well too, with the TV, and in the winter when it's cold here in Germany, you get a fire going, and actually in the summer it's still going, even though it's warm today. And then we have a cafe bistro, so there's always something to snack and eat while you're here. And then part of your rehabilitation takes place back here in the fitness gym area. And then as you go down these other corridors over here, there's massage rooms and there's the sauna and spa. We'll walk down here real quick. As you can see, we walk across this platform and there's some people back here talking. So you can kind of see the massage. There's another sitting area. So as you can see, there's a lot of great stuff here. Not your typical clinic, and this is only a very small video. And we'll do videos of Mayo Clinic too, where the surgeries take place too, to give you a little better idea. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to email us and contact us. Thanks so much.